A guy wire for a suspension bridge runs from the ground diagonally to the top of the closest pylon to make a triangle. Okay, let me draw a bridge. Now, keep in mind, I am not an art student, okay? Although I did take a mechanical drawing class, so I should be able to draw a bridge. A guy wire for a suspension bridge runs from the ground diagonally to the top of the closest pylon. I don't know, maybe they've got pylons. I don't know. Maybe the pylons go like this. You know, do. There's your bridge. Yeah, my bridge sucks. Okay. And it says a guy wire. A guy wire, you know, a wire from here to here. Maybe they all have guy wires. I don't know. I don't know. But let's say we're looking at this one right here, that first guy wire. And now I'm going to draw it bigger. It's showing a wire like that. That's the diagonal. Ground diagonally. Give me another highlighter here. Go smaller. Diagonally to the top of the closest pylon to make a triangle. So here's the diagonal. It is making a right triangle right here. And the Pythagorean theorem. Anybody remember that one? The Pythagorean theorem. The Pythagorean theorem says take a squared plus b squared, and that's going to equal c squared, given a right triangle that has the two short sides are labeled A and B, and the longest side, C, which is across from the right angle, also called the hypotenuse. That's it. So in this picture, this would be side A, this would be side B, and my green highlighted is the hypotenuse, sorry. The square of the distance between the wire on the ground and the pylon on the ground is 301,500 feet. The square of the height of the pylon is 12,100 feet, so the length of the guy wire can be found by evaluating. Oh, okay. Well, the heck, they've already done half the math for me. They took, okay, I need more highlighters here. They said that the square of the distance between the wire and the ground on the ground and the pylon on the ground is that between the wire on the ground and the pylon on the ground, that is this right here is it's the square already. So that's the a squared. That's 301,500 plus, and then they said the square of the height of the pylon is, the height of the pylon, this is how tall it would be, right? That's the 2,100 feet, sorry, 12,100 feet. And then that's going to equal c squared. But if you just want c, all you have to do is take the square root of it, because if you square root a square, it cancels it out. But this is an equation, and what you do to one side, hello, you got to do to the other side. So really, I've only got 2 steps on this thing. I'm grabbing my handy-dandy calculator and turning it on. I'm going to take 301,500 and add 12,100 to that. That is going to give me the square root of 313,600. Now, it says, what is the length of the guy wire? And it does say enter the exact answer. So if this isn't a perfect square, oh vey, I hope it is. Let's see, second function, x squared, get a square root sign in there and type in 313,600. Please be perfect square, yay! That is actually 560. 560 squared would give me 313,600. So the length of the guy wire is 560 feet. They made this one a little easier than I thought it was going to be. But just to prove it to you, for all you doubting Thomases out there, or questioning my math skills, God, I hope this comes up green, because then I look like an idiot. All right, there you go. And they showed, they just did the math. They added and then took the square root, and that is it. And it looks just like mine, except mine has pretty pictures and lovely colors. All right, that's number 11.